Thunderstorm Watch number 565 remains in effect until 9 o'clock a.m. and now includes the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA's weather radio, KXI-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Wentworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 4:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches.
So, it's 4:09 in the morning. I just happened to be up late listening to my weather radio. And what does it do? It goes off for a severe thunderstorm watch, telling me that it now includes my county. So, viewers, I'm faced with a tough decision. Do I stay up all night till 9 o'clock in the morning and continue recording these warnings that are supposed to happen? Or do I leave my weather radio on and scare the hell out of me? Well, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty tired around this time. So I think I'm gonna go to bed and wait for some warnings to scare the hell out of me while I'm sleeping. In case you didn't notice, at the beginning of this video, I had my radio set on the display setting. That's why no tones were heard. I don't want to scare the hell out of my family at 4 in the morning. But you still got to hear some same tones. That was pretty cool. So, yeah. See you later. I will try to get some warnings. NOAA Weather Radio Alert number 16, I think. Thanks for watching.